Hello guys, today we are learning how to resolve one daylight links problem like that you see. Here one section view I am showing here how to the daylight links. This is our basic line, the daylights, and this is the finished ground level. So how this line is going to far, here going to up, and here not hitting also this existing ground level. See, this is the existing ground level, and you see this is the finished ground level, and this is our assembly's basic daylight link. See, so how is this is the difference here, and why not hitting this? And other side you see like that this is a finishing ground level is going beyond to the existing ground level, and basically is the correct hitting here. But this line also how much gap between the basic and finished ground levels. So it is the very small issues. Issues are big because we can't calculate the correct quantities. If the concrete or earthwork, other any quantities we can't calculate that accurate. It will become much big difference here. So I can solve it very easy. Within 1 minute we can solve these problems. Another one section I am showing to you, another one. Here also you see this is the problems are happening. Many places are happening these problems. You see here, everywhere you can see. This is the problem, and the many people are facing this problem because I see in AutoCAD communities there many people are questioning about this. The daylight links are going beyond to existing ground levels like that. Or many people are answer, and long ago maybe around the 2014, 17, 18 and 20 like that. I see the last 7-8 years they continuous discussing about this matter. So it is very small solution here, and you can solve within 1 minute here. So now you go, we have to see our corridor here. This is the corridor. So just click to in corridor and go to corridor property. Okay, corridor property. Here you see the one thing, frequencies. Here everything, all settings are correct. But you see here this is frequency. Frequency, see here, just you click the 3 dots. Okay, and come to here, horizontal baseline. It's match as per the sample lines, because sample lines you can see here the every 25 meters, and here the horizontal baseline means the corridors links are in the 20 meters, so you make it the 25 meters, here 25 meters, here 25 meters, and the transition also 25 meters. Then okay, and here apply, then rebuild corridor, then okay. Now we have to go our section and view and check to there. So first is the 425 meters. You see here is the exact hitting on the our existing ground level, and this side also, and the finished ground level and assemblies baseline all are the follow, not going too far. And the big problem was there in 525 meters. Here you see before it was look like that here, and not hitting the existing ground level. Now you see exact hitting on existing ground level and follow the assemblies daylight links exact, you see. So the problem is the solve. It is very easy. Just you have to match the frequencies as our sample lines bus. Just then it will be very fine. If anything doubt about this, you can comment. I will solve and send you a CAD file there. Thanks for watching.